After the success of the Thar, the XUV has brought its new beast to the road, that is the XUV 700. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Autocar Mantra. This is Mantram Shetty and today I'm gonna do a review on the brand new XUV 700. So let's talk about something important. Why is it called XUV 700 as it is replacing XUV 500? As Mahindra didn't want people to know that the XUV 700 is a revolutionary car of XUV 500 and the XUV has kept a place for the revolutionary car XUV 500. Maybe in future it may release again. We had also got the news that the XUV 700 crossed 50,000 bookings in just 2 days, which is amazing, and from this you can see the craze of the car. Coming to looks, we get the new logo which is for sport utility vehicles. It's placed on the new double slatted grille. We get a new boomerang headlamp with LED DRL and dynamic swipe indicators. We also get a new LED fog lamp with black finish around it. Coming to side profile, we get the tire size of 235/60/18. We get a new ORVM with indicators, and the interesting thing is we get an electrically deployed door handle which feels amazing. Coming to rear, we get a shark fin antenna. We also get a sporty spoiler with high mounted stop lamp. We get a rear wiper, new Mahindra logo and a rear parking camera. We get new arrow shaped tail light with dynamic indicators. We also get a rear parking sensor. Coming to boot, we get a decent amount of boot space. To increase the boot, we can fold the seats as it gets 50-50 split seats. Now you can see that we have a big boot. Coming to third row, we get good amount of space. We get good shoulder room, adjustable headrest, good leg room, good knee room, but the under thigh support is bit low. Coming to second row, we get lot of space. We get good shoulder room, good head room. We get adjustable headrest also. We get good knee room and leg room and good under thigh support. To increase the leg room, you can pull the seat up. Now you can see how much leg room I have. We also get a rear AC vent. We get a C-type charging socket and a place where you can keep your phone. Coming to interior, we get welcome feature where the seat goes back, and again when we close the door, the seat come back to its position. From this, the ingress and egress of the car will be easy. Here we get the controls for the mirrors and the power window. Here we also get the electrically adjustable seats, in which you can see we can move forward the seats, we can increase the backrest and all. This feels so luxurious. We also get a new steering with new Mahindra logo. On the left side we get the controls for the media and calls. At right side we get the controls for the cruise control and the instrument cluster. Coming to instrument cluster, on the left side we get the speedometer and the right side we get the tachometer. It is a 10.25-inch fully digital instrument cluster. Explore the instrument cluster. We get drive assist, display layout, settings, alert history, drive info, fuel info, vehicle info and navigation. We get the ADAS feature in drive assist only, which is the safety feature for the driver. Coming to center console, we get 10.25-inch big infotainment system which gets radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity and many more features. It also get a navigation which would help for the passengers. We also get the navigation in the instrument cluster also. This looks so wide. We also get many applications like car info app, climate control, connected apps, documents, download manager, gallery, horoscope, just dial, my drive manager, news update and owner's manual. We get dual zone AC control. Here we get the controls for the hazard lights, screensaver and the camera. We get a 360-degree camera and rear parking camera, in which we can change the angles of the left, we can change to the angle of front, side and back. We get Sony 3D sounding music system with 12 speakers. I have connected my phone with the Android Auto. We get the IntelliLink control from which we can control the infotainment system. Now I am gonna play a music and check the audio quality. Yeah, the audio quality is just amazing and the bass we feel is just phenomenal. We also get Alexa, in which we can give the voice commands to the car like Alexa, open the sunroof. Okay. Yeah, you can see the sunroof is getting open. Coming to dimension, we get 260 mm of wheelbase, 4695 mm of length, 1895 mm of breadth and 1755 mm of height. Coming to safety and features, we get 7 airbags, ABS, ESC, ADAS, hill hold control, hill descent control, auto booster headlamp, smart door handle, rain sensing wiper, speed sensing auto door locks and front and rear independent suspension. It also gets a Adrenox app, in which you can turn the car on or off. You can also use the turn on the or off the AC controls, but still you get 70 more immersive features on the phone. That means it's all in your fingertip now. ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System. It also comes with forward collision warning, which assists the driver to apply brakes. In case the driver fails to brake, the auto emergency brake kicks in and applies the brake. It also gets a lane keep assist, which prevents the car from accidentally going out of the lane. We also get driver drowsiness detection, which prevents the driver to fall asleep on the wheel. If the driver falls asleep, it will send a haptic alert on the steering. The high beam assist switches the headlight to dipper when it detects an oncoming traffic. It helps from the blinding of the approaching vehicles. We also get drive mode, Zip, Zap, Zoom and Custom. Zip is for easy city drive. Zap is for more thrust and more power. Zoom is for more thrust and more power, in which you can take off anytime. And Custom is for you can set how much you wanna rush. Coming to specification, we have 2.2 liter turbo petrol engine, which produces 200 horsepower and 380 Newton meter of torque. It also comes with 2.2 liter turbo diesel engine, which produces 185 horsepower and 400 Newton meter of torque. So my final verdict is XUV 700 promises a lot. It gets both petrol and a diesel with both manual and automatic options. It rivals with Tata Safari, Hyundai Alcazar and MG Hector Plus. The price starts from 15 lakh to 25 lakh. I think it's best value for money car. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for getting all notification of my future videos. Thanks for watching.